guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to do something you've never heard of doing. Here I will show you how to practice English. Without further delay, let's get started. My mom will ask me words and I will say their second and third form. Are you ready? Let's go.
Do,
Did, done.
think,
Thought, thought.
go,
Go, went, gone.
say,
Said, said.
drink,
Drink, drank, drunk. Speak, spoke, spoken.
fall,
Fall, fell, fallen.
find,
Find, found, found.
freeze,
Freeze, froze, frozen.
forget,
Forget, forgot, forgotten. Have you forgotten to like, share, and subscribe to my channel?
ask,
Ask, asked, asked. If you have any doubt, then ask me right now in the comment section below.
call,
Call, called, called. If you have to practice any word, then call me. I will help you.
help,
Help, helped, helped. I'll definitely help you.
dream,
Dream, dreamed, dreamed. Have you dreamed of speaking English? I'll help you.
test,
Test, tested, tested. Do you want to test your knowledge? If you want to test your knowledge, then say the second and third form of knock immediately in the comment section below.
wait,
Waited. Don't wait to be fluent in English. Learn English with me right here and right now.
jump,
Jumped. Don't jump away to another video. Stay tuned with this video.
feed,
Fed. Feed your mind enough of vocabularities to be able to speak English.
attack,
Attacked. Attack your fear to learn English.
spade,
Spread. Spread your knowledge everywhere.
keep,
Keeped. Just keep one thing in your mind. Everyone makes mistakes.
grow,
Grown. Grow your English speaking skills day by day.
send,
Send. Send me comments if you have any doubt.
set,
Set your mind every day to learn English.
hurt,
Hurt. Don't hurt yourself if anyone comments you that your English speaking skills are bad.
give,
Given. I will give you effective tricks every day to speak English.
shut,
Shut down the bad memories and get in the good ones.
stand,
Stood. Stand with me. I will help you be fluent in English. Stand against the fear.
stick,
Stuck. Stick with your goal.
win,
Won. We will definitely win if you keep consistency in your goal, which is speaking English.
use,
Used. use the words which I told you and use all the words that I said to you and make some sentences.
Write.
Write, wrote, written. If you have any doubts or want to know more words, then tell me in the comment section below. I will definitely make a video based on them. Also, write your favorite word in the comment section below. Your favorite word might be one of the words I told you. I hope you learned something interesting today. And if you found something informative today, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe.